How to remove Restore Up from the desktop screen in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might see unnecessary Restore Up words on the desktop screen on Windows 11 computer. Follow the steps to remove it. These words are displayed because of either Telegram Desktop app or Visual Studio 2022. Here is how to remove it. Follow the steps. Click on the Start button. Select all. Go to Telegram Desktop app. This one. Expand this. Click on Uninstall Telegram. Click on Yes. Again, click on Start. All. Visual Studio 2022. Right click. Uninstall. Search Visual Studio Community 2022. Click on three dots, select Uninstall. Again click on Uninstall. Yes. Okay. After uninstalling, restart your computer. Further install the Visual Studio 2022 again and check if the issue is fixed. This occurs due to bug in both the desktop apps. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.